We're getting started with some chocolate graham crackers. You'll take a minute to line up your chocolate graham crackers on the bottom of your baking dish, just so you have the entire bottom fully covered, just like so, nice and easy. When your bottom's fully lined, you'll bring that over to the side and bring in your bowl. Grab yourself some heavy whipping cream and put 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Oh, this is gonna be so good, right into your bowl. Look at how nice and creamy that looks. Along with 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And here's where it gets really good, you guys. You're gonna grab your favorite caramel. It's best if it's on the thicker side, and you're gonna start to add about 2 tablespoons of caramel. You can always add more, so we're just gonna start with a little bit. Now check this out. You are gonna whip this up, you guys, and it's gonna get fluffy and so delicious. You are gonna absolutely love this easy dessert, so give yourself a minute and start to get to whipping. Oh yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about with this caramel. Oh, next level. All right, you guys, as we're starting to get nice and fluffy here, I'm gonna take just a little bit more caramel, and as I'm mixing, I'm gonna add about 1 more tablespoon of caramel. That looks perfect. Okay, so we are looking really good, you guys. It looks like we are getting nice and fluffy here. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. A nice caramel whipped topping. Let's give it a go here. Wow, that is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is where it's gonna get really good. So we're gonna bring back in those chocolate graham crackers, and we're gonna take some of this caramel whipped topping. We're gonna plop it right on top. So we're gonna use about half of it, and then just gently just spread it right over the top. They start to move around a little bit. It's okay. It's not that serious, but we're just giving this nice caramel whipped topping, you guys. Have you ever tried caramel whipped topping? Absolutely phenomenal. You can even do the salted caramel if you want. I just went with the regular, but of course, you can definitely choose that as well. And we're just spreading it all over the top. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna cover this right up, so don't you worry about it. I have some super tasty pecans here that I went ahead and chopped up. I'm gonna dust just like a light layer right on top of that fluffy caramel cream that we have. Fabulous, fantastic, you guys. These flavors go together so well. Now I have some more of those chocolate graham crackers here that I'll lay right on top. Oh my gosh. As these graham crackers sit, they're gonna get a little bit softer, almost kind of like cake-like, and it's so perfect with the texture of those crunchy pecans. And then we have that fancy caramel whip. Absolutely fabulous. You guys are gonna love me for this one. Now, of course, you know where we're going with this. We're gonna take the rest of that because we are definitely not gonna waste it. And I'm just gonna plop it all right on top using the last bit of this whip. Now, of course, if you want to double the recipe, if you want to do more layers, add more whip, you totally can, and I am definitely not against that idea. Once again, you'll be patient enough to spread it all over the top. Wow, next level right here, you guys. Here we go. So we have everything smoothed out here, you guys, and I seriously just can't get enough of this. It's like, you have to try it. I can't even explain how tasty that is. Oh, now we're gonna grab some more of those pecans because we're gonna pair it up, right? Just doing another layer, and I'm just gonna sprinkle just a light layer right on top. Now you can add a lot of stuff, of course, and a lot of options to this, but I wanted to keep it simple, and I love the balance of the sweetness, the balance of the textures, and then just keeping it nice and simply light just for summer, having this sweet, fluffy, kind of good little summer treat here, loading it up with pecans because they are super tasty with this, and they complement that cream and those chocolate so well. So we have those pecans right there on top, and we're gonna switch things up today. So we're gonna bring in our bowl here. I have some delicious creamy peanut butter. So I'm gonna pour about a cup of some creamy peanut butter right there into our dish. That looks perfect. And then I'm gonna follow it up with 2 cups of melted dark chocolate. Wow, look at how silky smooth that is. Now, of course, I wanna get all of that chocolate out of there. Now, two things, you guys. What this is gonna do, obviously, is gonna make us a little bit of a chocolate peanut butter flavor, but it's also gonna soften up that chocolate. So when we use this and we tap it on our delicious no-bake dessert that we just made, it's gonna allow the chocolate to be a little bit more silky smooth, which is gonna be really great in flavor with the peanut butter and really easy to slide your nice knife into there to cut yourself a slice of this tasty treat. So we have it all mixed up, and this is gonna be superb. You guys are gonna love that peanut butter chocolate combo. And then don't forget, we have that caramel whip and some pecans, all easily switched up and changeable, right? If it's not your cup of tea. Now we're just gonna take this chocolate and we're gonna make this nice layer right on top. Look at that chocolate just oozing out of that bowl. That looks so incredibly delicious. We have these nice fluffy layers and that delicious chocolate topping. Of course, you want to spread that out and be patient, take your time, but if you move slow, you should just be able to push it and those layers should just start to fall right over all of that caramel cream along with those pecans. Holy cow, this is deluxe. Now, any of this stuff, you guys, you can change up, you can make it your own. If you have any ideas, share them in the comments. I would love to hear all about them. It's so nice to just expand the horizon. Oh, I can't believe I'm making it this deluxe here. It looks like we almost have all four corners covered. Talk about an easy treat here, and we're not even done yet. Whew. So we are corner to corner in this peanut butter and chocolate, and now to top it off with some Heath Bits. Yeah, did you like that? That was necessary at the end. So I'm gonna put this, I thought that the Heath Bits would go really good with that caramel cream and along with that peanut butter. You know, always changing it up is totally an option as well, but I'm gonna throw some Heath Bits right on top. And sometimes you just gotta look in the pantry and say, hey, what do I have to work with today, right? So this is it, this looks great. I think that's about good. A nice layer. Now I'm just gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna let all these layers set and stick around. I think you're gonna love when I cut into this. It is going to be so good. Okay, the time has come and I am pretty stoked about this one. I'm really excited about that topping, and look at all of those layers, how they settled in nicely. Ooh, this no-bake treat is so perfect with all of these flavors, and don't forget about that caramel cream. Now see how my spatula here is just kind of sliding right in past this chocolate into these layers? Oh, that nice soft top is exactly what we want, and it's diving right through there, almost like a very much so like a fudge-like texture. Now let's just break that all apart, making sure that we can get underneath here. It's never the easiest part to get the first piece out, right? Okay, here we go. Wow, look at those layers of that chocolate and all of that cream. Woo, yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about right here, right now. That nice chocolatey peanut butter top, which is totally optional. If you don't want that, you don't have to do it. You can just do the caramel cream and the pecans if you want, but we just decided to deluxe it up. And don't forget, we have those chocolate graham crackers in there. I'm gonna give one big giant bite a go, right? A little bit of everything in one. Here we go. It's light, it's creamy, it's fluffy, it's got a little bit of caramel, it's got the peanut butter, that chocolate on top, it's soft. Oh my gosh. All right, what a fabulous no-bake treat, you guys. Let me know if there is anything that you are gonna do to switch it up. I don't know, I would say this is a home run, but of course there are so many options available. I hope that you guys are enjoying yourselves, and we'll see you later. Enjoy.